Muscles in dogs have various important functions to support their activities and overall health. Skeletal muscles work together with bones and joints to enable dogs to move, including walking, running, jumping, digging, and playing. Muscles help dogs maintain balance while standing, running on uneven surfaces, or performing quick maneuvers. If you're interested, I can also explain how to maintain a dog's muscle health or provide tips for proper exercise.